Hi there, welcome to Tech Guide. Let's dive into our today's problem, Harshad number. It says an integer divisible by the sum of its digits is said to be the Harshad number. So you are given an integer x, return the sum of digits of x in case that x is a Harshad number. So let's look at example 18. So 18 is 9 and 18 is divisible by 9, so we return the sum which is 9. Look at the second example 23. The sum of digits is 5. 23 is not divisible by 5, so we'll return -1. So that's what we'll do. We'll calculate the sum. So let's just save this particular number and let's have our sum is equal to 0. While my x is not equal to, let's say, 0, I'm going to say fetch me the number. Let's just remain it out with 10, and then we can have the sum is equal to sum plus y, and then we can just reinitialize our x. So once that is done, I'll have my sum. So we need to return sum in case that is my number is divisible by sum. So if my number is divisible by sum, I need to return the sum, otherwise I can simply return -1. So let's just hit run. So it is accepted that initial test cases. I just hit submit. Okay, it's accepted. Thank you.